Hello, this is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator, here at the HDBaseT booth at InfoComm 2022. I'm really excited and honored to be speaking with Gilad Yron from Kramer Electronics, the CEO of Kramer. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for hosting me, Dan.
So let's talk about Kramer, because right now it is a time of real transition and growth and excitement and opportunity. There's a lot of change afoot. What would you like to talk about first, just in terms of the change that's going on within the organization, because it's a real time of real excitement?
How much time do we have? Do we have an hour, 2 hours? Because I can speak forever about the company.
For you, unlimited time.
Unlimited time. Good. So you're absolutely right. The company is going through some major transformation, which are based on the opportunities that we recognize and identified in the market, as well as some internal changes to make sure that we are addressing and benefiting from this transformation. So slightly over a year ago, the company changed the ownership, and a private equity, one of the largest private equity in Israel, took over the company. I joined the company April last year, so I'm celebrating a little bit more than a year with the company. And since then, we actually embark a journey that combining the 40 years of asset creation that the company was established in 1981. Mm-hmm. So we are celebrating our basically 40 years anniversary last year.
Congratulations.
So taking all the assets that the company has created in the last 40 years and then giving them another edge. So a lot of changes in our go-to-market, which we can talk specifically the Americas, a lot of changes in the way we are approaching solution, less than a product, and many other solutions and many other changes that I will be more than happy to share.
Well, let's talk about each of them in turn. Let's start with go-to-market. I think that may be most germane in the immediate term, especially to the American audience. What are some of the real changes we can expect in terms of go-to-market strategy?
Good. It's actually a fantastic starting point. So, I spent my entire career facing customers. Mm-hmm. managing companies around the globe, out of Israel, in other places as well. So I do understand how important it is to ensure that the people that actually facing customers will have the absolute autonomy to take decision and to move fast to serve better the customers. And this is what we are doing. So we are shifting the center of gravity from Israel back to the regions. Mm-hmm. We just recently announced on the nomination of a new president to run the Americas, which is the entire continent, starting from Canada and going down to Latin America and South America. So Amit joined us 3 months ago. He brings a lot of experience in managing customer-facing organization. We are investing and increasing the number of headcounts, mm-hmm. okay, to support the customers, to provide a pre-sale support as well as post-sale support.
So let's also talk about the solutions aspect that you had referred to. I find in covering the commercial AV industry in particular that whether it's end customers, whether it's integrators, everyone is talking at this point about wanting a solution. They're not looking for a product, they're not looking for a piece of hardware per se. They're looking for something that's going to solve their problems, and they're looking for a mindset that is to that end. What is Kramer's perspective when it comes to a solutions-focused mindset?
A very good topic, Dan. So one of the changes that we implemented is to increase our focus on specific verticals: education, enterprise, and government and military. And when I'm saying increasing the focus is the go-to-market, the messaging, but most important is to ensure that we have the right, precise, and accurate solution to the specific need of the customers. So Kramer is one of the few companies that can actually provide an end-to-end solution, from your collaboration devices through the cables, extenders, switchers. So entire suite of solutions that can fit and can be designed to the specific need, either you're in the education market or the military market or enterprise market. We do have the end-to-end solution to serve you.
So we've talked about kind of the decentralization organizationally. We've also talked about the end-to-end solution. My understanding is that Kramer's projections for the next few years are looking very, very robust, very, very rosy. Do you want to talk a little bit about the trajectory for success the organization sees itself on?
Yeah, absolutely. So we actually share with the public that we are on a plan and on the trajectory to triple our business in 4 years.
Wow.
Without getting into the numbers, but I can say that 2021 was very, very good for us. We were able to increase the business by high double-digit growth. We started 2022 even stronger, with a stronger pace of our business. Q2 this year seems to be solid as well. So we are very, very positive that the changes we are doing alongside with the market will bring us right to the very high bar we already set.
What an exciting time for Kramer. Thank you so much for taking some time to educate me, Commercial Integrators audience, the HDBaseT universe, about what is going on within your organization.
Thank you very much, Dan, and thank you very much to the HDBaseT Alliance that's supporting us and providing us this stage.
So happy to have been joined by Gilad Yron from Kramer. My name is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator, here at the HDBaseT booth at InfoComm 2022.
And we're out. Well done.